So guys, let's take a look at what market is actually going to be giving us for the day. Once the market opens, let's see what gold will give us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, make sure you subscribe to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with this trend right here, guys. This is the trend. What can you say the trend is on your gold? It is very clear and it is very simple. Gold overall trend is an analog trend move. Remember, guys, we have the main trend and we also have the current trend. This is just the main trend right here. And the main trend is trending to the upside. Market is literally trending upward, right? But when you now take a look at this your current trend, you see that market is literally trending to the downside. Now pay attention to this movement right here, guys. Pay attention to this movement so you understand. When markets literally try to give a low, markets eventually pull back to give a lower high. Then a lower low was made. Sorry, a lower low. Here comes the lower high before markets eventually did give us a lower low and it's reversed up. So when markets eventually reversed up, right, markets eventually failed to push up multiple times, thereby giving us a rejection zone multiple times. Market has been rejecting from this zone, an indication that it is very weak to go up. This is one of the reasons why markets literally drop right it's sold. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement. This right here is a double top, right? Indicates a reversal movement, which market did give us this massive sell. So what I would say markets will do next is just a pullback and then one more drop. That is what we should be expecting next on silver. We should expect market to pull back a little bit up, we should pull back up a little bit, then give us some more drop for the day. So if you are not yet in the sell on your gold, right, going for the sell. But if you are in the sell, look to going for the sell, or you just before you go for the sell, just wait for your pullback first. But if you are in the sell, you can still do your sell position, or you can likely close out in partial profits, right? Because gold is still drop. More updates will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the next updates.